Hey everyone, it's Justil45 here. I haven't made so much videos in the past because I've been busy working on my first app that I have released in the App Store. It's called Sound Effects Pro. Here's the icon. And it's a soundboard that has some cool sounds on it. As you can tell, I'm not too much of a graphics artist myself. I got 4 tabs here: Home, Cartoon, Words, and Miscellaneous. Here are some cool sounds that I have on my app. In Cartoon, we have sounds like run, laugh, walk, and skid. In Words, we have some good sounds like loser, yes, no, oh my god,
Like, oh my god.
and yo.
Yo.
In Miscellaneous, we have sounds like laser, sensor, monkey, and of course, this has just been a brief review. The link to my app is in the description. Go check it out. I will be updating very frequently, and I'm working on an update right now that gives 12 sounds in each category and a whole new one.